Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how you can hide your taskbar in Windows 10. So if we want the taskbar not to be constantly on our screen, if we move the mouse away from it, it can very easily go down. I'll show you how you can do that right now. So all you have to do is right click on your taskbar and you want to select the taskbar settings option, which should be the very last option. Click on it, left click. Right here you will be faced with a bunch of options. The one which we need to select is this one, the second one. It says automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So I'll show you what this does. I'm just gonna turn it on. As you can see, we no longer see our taskbar. Now how can we show it? Don't panic. All we have to do is move our mouse to the very bottom of the screen, over where our taskbar should be normally. And as you can see, it appears. If we move it away, it disappears again. But this generally gives you a cleaner version of your desktop, and you can utilize this to however you like. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you boys and girls next time. Take care everyone. Bye bye.